One of the reasons why your book is not selling is probably because you have not done the right thing. You know, in this time that we are now, you can't just write a book and just leave it there. Do you understand? So before running ads for your book, it is very important for you to make sure that book that you want to run ads for have reviews. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you the different method of how to get a reviews for your book. And also I'm going to be explaining the reason why you need reviews for your book. So the 3 simple truths about reviews, why they make or break your success. So in this video, you're going to be discovering the 3 simple truths about reviews, the 3 undeniable facts about reviews, and my proven 2-step strategy to get 100+ reviews for any niche. Do you understand? So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Arena Teaching Center, where we teach you how to write, format and edit. And if you are just joining us for the first time, kindly click on that subscribe button and turn on your notification button so that whenever we post a video, you'll be notified immediately. And as you're going through the video, kindly like so that Amazon can also notify other people about this video. All right guys, let's dive in deeply. So now the 3 hard truths about reviews. Something you should know that if you, in this time now, if your book does not have a review, it won't convert sales well for you. And if you don't have reviews for your book, please don't run advert for it, because if you do, it will not convert as much sales that you want. So the money you use in running adverts, I will advise you use it to get what? Reviews. So not having a reviews for your book and you want to run advert, or running advert for your book seems like a wasted effort. I will explain the reason why I say so. Do you understand? Review this day is very important, before and even now. See, let me tell you something that you need to know. The top publishers that we have today in Amazon, whatever I'm going to show you today in this video, is exactly what they are doing. They buy reviews. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you 2 ways of which you can get your reviews. Okay, they buy reviews. They don't just write the book and leave it there. They buy reviews, then they launch it. And launching it, they don't just settle for less. They use different pattern of launching to launch their book, to give them the kind of money they actually want. Okay, now the 3 undeniable facts about reviews. Reviews boost your sales. No 2 ways about it. Like it's not up for a debate. Reviews boost your sales, and getting them is easier than you think. Honestly, getting them is easier than you think. Whether you are using the organic method or the other method, it is very easy to get reviews. And like what I said, every successful self-publishers making 20,000 per month, they follow this particular method that you are going to learn today from this video. So we are about diving deep on how to get reviews for our book. So I will advise you pay close attention to everything that I'm going to teach you, because I'm going to be exposing some things that you do not know about. So I want to show you the quick link now, of which you can use in your book, whereby your reader can click and give you your review organically. Before giving out your book for free promotion, you have to put this in your book. Are you getting it? Like before giving out. So when I say before giving out, it may be your book has already gone live. Are you getting it? Your book has gone live. After it has gone live, you have copied your ASIN number or your ISBN 10. You have copied the number. Are you getting it? So both ebook and paperback have gone live. Okay, so for the ebook aspect, to get a review from your free promotion, you have to update the book. And after the book goes live, you come back and update your book. By updating your book, you like uploading the ebook again, whether it's kdpviews or whatsoever. Just at the ending of your book, like the last page, you have to find a way to impute your ASIN number or ISBN 10 number. For paperback is barcode, and I'm going to be teaching you how to create the barcode. So for you to get a review link, you see the one here, I wrote it, use this direct link to create a review faster. amazon.com/review/create-review ? And ASIN equals to, you understand? So I copied an ASIN number. I copied an ASIN number and I impute it here as an example. Do you understand? For the paperback, if you want your paperback to have a review link, is the ISBN 10 that you are going to be using. Okay, but for a quicker way, also we are going to be also using the barcode, of which I'm going to be teaching you as well in this video. So this is it: amazon.com/review/create-review ? And ASIN equals to your ASIN number. Do you understand? So I'm going to be dropping this in the description box so that it will be very easy for you to like copy and replicate. All right, so now I want to show you how to create a barcode for your book. So now I want to show you how to like get your book link and how to generate QR code for your book that you are going to be imputing in your published book. Because why I said published book is simply because once your book goes live, you have to put your QR code and properly ask for a positive feedback before giving your book out for free promotion. Because there's every tendency that as you are giving out your book for free promotion, your book might bring reviews for you. It is very hard for your reader to give you review. Honestly speaking, getting review is not easy because it's kind of stressful to them to buy your book and come back and give you positive feedback. Only those that have good art, and given the fact that you appreciated them and also asked that they should give you review, that is when they will like come back and give you review. Because ordinarily people are buying reviews in cash and asking in kind. So I want to show you how to go around this review sector. Do you understand? So getting QR code for your book and asking for reviews is very, very easy. Do you get? But before doing that, you make sure that before asking for a review, your book is properly written, your title is properly searched, content properly written, fact check, they are factual, and you are giving your readers the absolutely result of what they are looking for. Like anything that you are writing, whatever the niche may be, make sure that whatever book that you are giving, before asking for a review, you can't just write a crap book and be asking for a review. So before asking for a review, you have to make sure that the book that you're asking for a review for is well written, so that whether they are buying it free or paid, because of the fact that this book has given them the kind of solution that they are looking for, they will come back in kind and give you your review. Do you understand? So you have to take time to make sure you write your book very well before asking for a review. You don't just ask for a review when your book are not properly written. So every information of your book should be well sorted out. On Google, on Pinterest, or on YouTube, don't depend wholly on ChatGPT. And make sure that if you are into the practical aspect of your book, like cookbook, travel book, study guide, product guide, make sure you write it practically. Do you understand? So without wasting much of your time, so let me say this is one of my book. For instance, this is my book, And now I want to get my link to my book. I want to get the link to my book. What I would do is very simple. Do you understand? After you're giving out your book for free promotion, or before giving out your book for free promotion, you come to where this amazon.com is. You clicked on it. Once you clicked on it, you see a link that is highlighted. This is your book link. You copy it. After copying it, you go straight to Canva. Canva is the easiest way for you to generate a QR code. So you go straight to Canva, and once you go straight to Canva, okay, this is the easiest method, I'm telling you. So the size of your book, the paper size that you are using, you click on it, the paper size that you are using, all right? Because that's where you're going to be putting ask your request of giving a positive feedback. Do you understand? Of which ChatGPT is going to give it to us. So what you do now, you're going to search app. You go to app. After searching app, you just type and search for QR code generator. So there are actually so many QR code generator, but the one I'm going to be using just this QR code, this particular one. And what I will do now is to input my link, the link that I copied from Amazon dashboard, and I will generate my code. So now this is my QR code, and I will just customize, update. If you want to customize, if you want to use entirely black, okay, if you want to customize any color you like, it's the same thing. You customize and you would update. You understand? So now this one, now there is no, you can expand it. You can actually make it to cover the entire page if you want to. You can put it like this, but based on the fact that we are trying to maintain page, mind you, before putting out your QR code in your paper, in your book, whether it's ebook or paperback, you know, you can you can also update your ebook by putting your link, but it's kind of risky these days. But you can actually put your link at the ending of your book for them to give you reviews after making a request. Do you understand? The review link that I told you how to generate, like I explained it with my mouth, I didn't like show you. You can get that and impute it in your book. Then for the paperback, you put in the QR code. So this is our QR code. You can just type under scan me. Okay, so meanwhile, before anything, before putting your scan me, so this is it, this is your scan me. We'll make sure that we'll get a positive feedback. So I want to ask for a feedback for the book. Sorry. So let's just see what it's going to like give us. this particular one is kind of, let me concise it because of the page that we have. Thank you for taking your time to read my book. I appreciate your support and hope it has provided. If you found this helpful, there's others discover this, but also encourage me to continue. Okay, you can actually expand it. You can actually expand it. Remember, this should be at the ending of your book. Okay, this should be at the ending of your book. So that means the first one can go. This one. So I actually asked that you should highlight the focus points. You started putting, you saw what it gave, which I actually do not need. So paste it. So you have to like change it to the font that you are using in your manuscript. So but just change the font. My network is kind of misbehaving right now. So we can reduce the size of the QR code. If you wish to add background design and all that, you can. So let's change it to 14. All right. So this is it. You can make yours like this. Are you getting it? You see how simple it is. You can change this, your dear valued customer, whatever. Then you only just to download this and go and impute it. Put your pen name, which is the name of the pen name you're using in your book. Download it and go and what? Impute it in your book. Impute it at the last page of your book. So I know you like with my last page, not like how do I put it? Will it not be extra? For you to make sure that it's not extra, give an empty space. Give an empty space so that once the book goes live, you'll be able to generate your link and probably your SIN number. Are you getting it? And you'll be able to like get your QR code, then update your book and republish it. And while updating, if there's anything you need to update to, like your keyword and all that, kindly update it. And also another thing of updation is that if you work on your book and you notice that if your book is selling and probably you made a mistake and the book is bringing in bad reviews, instead of you to panic, kindly restructure your book. Make it the same page number, the same number of page of the first one you publish. Restructure the book properly, work in accordance to what your reader is complaining about. So alright guys, so now I want to show you the site of which you'll be using to get your review. I'm going to be showing 3 different sites, and each site involves a monthly payment of which we can afford. Do you understand? So but before we start using the site, we have to prepare ourselves and make sure anything that we are doing is worth doing well. Do you understand? So I'm going to show you a site. They gave a 7 days free trial of which you can use and cancel at any time. So the first one that we are going to be used, of which is very easy to use, is Gemsy. So you see this Gemsy now, they just came on board and the site is not saturated and it's not overloaded. Do you understand? So as you are watching this video, you can actually start working with this Gemsy, and by next month, or if you have the money to pay, it's $19 point. Do you understand? You can actually pay that $19 if you have it. But if you don't have it, while testing it, you can use your 7 days free trial, and if you are able to get 1 or 2 review within that 7 days, you can cancel. Meanwhile, before using it, you have to what? Update your book, which I've taught you on how to go about it. And while updating your book, you should also reduce your price so that you'll be able to get some verified purchase reviews. You know, the only way you can get verified purchase reviews, which customer trusts very well, is simply by either you give your book out for free promotion. Yes, there's disadvantage and advantage of giving out your book for free promotion, but now we are focusing on getting reviews for the first 30 days. And you know, without reviews, no sales. Do you understand? So even if you are not getting enough from your book, giving out your book for complete 5 days free promotion to be able to get reviews, and meanwhile you can reduce your ebook price to $1, $2. Probably your ebook price is $9.9. You can reduce it to $1 so that they will be able to buy it. If you know you don't want to give it out for free promotion, you can give it for $1. Okay, if you want to give it out for free promotion, you give it out. While you give it out for free promotion, your paperback price should be reduced. If you are using a colored version, it is actually going to be a minus, but it can also, you know, this is a long-term thing. You understand? It's a long-term thing, so you can actually reduce your book price. Probably it's from $18.99. You can actually take it to $16, maybe getting a profit of 2 something. Do you understand? So that when you give it out for free promotion, it will be very easy for your buyer to come and buy. And after reading the book, they say, this book is very nice and interesting. They will come back and give you review. Now we are targeting something, targeting sales, and we are targeting reviews, and we are targeting rank. Remember, in Amazon, if your book is not ranking on first or second page, forget about it. So what we want to do is to make sure that our book is ranking on first and second page. And for your book to rank on first and second page, you make sure that you have done your keyword research properly. Your keyword research on your title and subtitle properly, so that when your book is ranking, you know that you are on the right track. And while your book is ranking, your target is how to get positive reviews, and anything that has to do with bad reviews, avoid it. Meanwhile, since I've taught you guys about how to update on bad reviews, you understand? All right guys, now let's go through this Gemsy and review center. Get unlimited book reviews. Start generating reviews for your low content and non-fiction book on Amazon. So for you to be able to like start the 7 days free trial, you just have to click on that link, put your email, your password, your name, click on the terms and conditions, start your free trial. So when you click on the start your free trial, you are going to see where you add your bank details. Either you are using bank account or you are using your card. It's $19.99. Okay, this is the second lowest. The third one we are going to be talking about is about $17. The second one is about $25. So this is the third lowest of all. So let's go through it, and I'm going to be explaining as we are going through. Why should you try Gemsy features? Unlimited reviews on Gemsy. Auto control review frequency and timing. The auto dashboard shows when readers start reading and reviewing your book. Quick turnaround. There is no queue for Gemsy. In most cases, our turnaround time is only 3 days. Okay, on this particular aspect, like what I said earlier, it is not saturated. Like people never to know like that, you get. So it's actually not saturated, so you can actually go and register if you have the money, or you want to try that 7 days free trial. So when doing that 7 days free trial, endeavor to gather like 1 or 2 reviews. Mind you, when reading other people's book, to give them reviews. If you see that the book is not good, please, instead of you giving them 1-star rated, don't give them any review at all. Just return the book back to the library. Do you understand? Don't give them. Then when you collect a book that you want to review, endeavor to review that book before the 3 days is completed. If not, you won't be able to review that book again after that 3 days. So if the time, like, you were not able to review the book after the 3 days, you have to return the book back to the library and wait for another time for you to be able to review that book. And you know that when you are reading and reviewing book, you'll be able to get what? You'll be able to gather more gems. And when registering on your free trial, you'll be given 2,000 gems. You understand? And these gems serves as money for you to be using in this dashboard, in this site, when doing your review. Now, why should you try Gemsy features? Right? Infinite review on Gemsy, auto control review frequency and timing. You get the auto dashboard shows when the reader start reading and quick turnaround, no review fee. Okay, this no review fee now, apart from the $19.99 that you are going to pay, they are not going to charge you money for any review. So the only thing you are going to be using is that gems. You understand? And you can cancel at any time. You can cancel at any time. Are you getting it? So after that 7 days trial, you can cancel. For them to tell you that you can cancel simply shows that once you try it, it's going to work. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? So always available support, like their customer service is available at 24 hours. And remember, I told you, without reviews for your book is not going to drive sales well, mostly when you want to run ads for it. And that's the same thing that is here. So these are the books that are already there that people are reviewing. Okay, so just a 3 steps how it works. Step 1, add your book. Take just a few minutes to add your book cover and info about your book. Mind you, when adding your book cover, copy your link, your book link, of which I taught you how to copy your link, or generate a review link that you are going to be imputing on the box there and your book cover, with other details that you are going to be add. Collect gems. Support other authors by reading and reviewing their book. So the process of you reading and reviewing their book, you are gathering gems, adding it to the 2,000 gems that you were given at your registration. So, or after your registration. Don't mind me, I want to sleep. Step 3, get book reviews. Use your credit provided by the admin. Know to list your books in our community library to get review is so easy. Okay, so these are what the clients are saying concerning this site, and this is the pricing details. You can go through it, kindly go through it, and these are the frequently asked questions. Go through it and see if it's something you can do, and do it. I bet you will not regret. Alright guys, so the next one we're going to be checking on is Pubby. So this is another site, and for you to get access to this one, you have to register with $17, and this one is less. So $17, that will be like 30 something thousand naira. So when you register, you'll be able to go through it. Bonus reviews, features, unlimited reviews. On Pubby, authors have full control of when and how often they get reviews. Our author dashboard tells you when, almost the same thing. So you get, they are almost the same thing. Fast turnaround, 3 days, the same thing. No charge or fee per review. So in all, this is the lesser one. This is $17. The next one that we are going to check on, which we are going to do right now, is this one. Now is like, what is the genre of your book? Self-help, business, religion, craft and hobby, drama, science. So on these, they have, on the others, I actually do not know what that others is, but I think they have selected a number of niche that you are going to be working on. But for the first one that we talked about, there is no, they worked on low content and high content, which is non-fiction book. Okay, so the next one we'll go and check is book bounty. So on this one is actually $25 to get access to it. I want to check on the pricing. Sign up. I've registered, so if I'm to clean out, they'll tell me that I should upgrade. So this is it. Alright, so you have to go through it, search for it and go through it and see if it's something that you can do. Okay, you have to just pick one and try one. All right, so whatever you pick, you can pick between the book bounty, the Pubby and the Gemsy, because the amount of registration is less. Okay, so all right guys, so this right here is how to get reviews for your book. How to get reviews for your book. So don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it. This is what almost every author are using, whether it's brand or whatsoever. This is what they are using to get reviews for your book. Okay, so don't sleep on it, because if you sleep on it, you are sleeping on sales. All right guys, so if you found this video helpful, kindly click on that subscribe button if you have not subscribed, and don't forget to like. Always like. The moment you like, it helps my video to go far. You understand? Like, share and comment to your friends and family. Bye bye.